Earth, the fifth biggest planet in our solar system. To this day, humanity attempts to explore its mysteries, as well as understand the evolution of other galaxies. Among all spaceports that exist on our planet, the very first was the Baikonur Cosmodrome. It is our pride, mankind's first gateway to space. It was from here, deep in the heart of present-day Kazakhstan, that the first satellite was launched into orbit, and more importantly, humanity's first cosmonaut. One in every 10 children dreams of becoming a cosmonaut, but only 1 in a million fulfills that dream. The cosmos is close. Baikonur waits.